Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. First question, oh my gosh, I've gotten so many messages from you guys asking me my thoughts on the new Poshmark Ambassador status program. Apparently they're adding tiers to it. This person said, I love your videos. I hope you do a video addressing the Poshmark Gold Star Ambassador's requirement and quarterly requirements. I was tagged on Facebook. I got messages on Instagram. You guys are like, what do you think, Vanessa? I saw the message in the app yesterday. It said that more information will be coming soon, like in the next couple of days. And I went to their website. There was nothing on their website, but apparently they had a blog post, but it got taken down. Like somebody screenshotted it. So I'm going to read you what it says. Okay, so backing up, if you don't know what a Poshmark Ambassador is, I have a video talking all about it. I'm not going to go into too much detail, but it's basically a title that you can get on Poshmark if you reach like certain requirements. Again, I have a video talking all about it, my thoughts on it. But now Poshmark is adding like a new tier. Here are the benefits to being a Gold Star Poshmark Ambassador. You get a Ambassador 2 badge. Like it'll show like a 2 next to it or like a Roman numeral 2. And it's gold, I think, too. It's a gold star. It says, make your closet stand out with a special gold badge. You get priority support. Get priority assistance anytime you contact Team Posh. I don't know about that. That'll be interesting. You get tickets to Posh events. Receive offers or free discounted tickets to Posh events. Probably not Posh Fest. Although, I don't know, maybe they'll do Posh Fest, maybe? Global in-app promotion. Be promoted on the platform and in global marketing campaigns. It says exclusive live events. Join Team Posh for exclusive live events. Okay, now the requirements. 6 consecutive months as a Poshmark Ambassador. 100 available listings. So, okay, let's try to compare. So tier 1 Ambassador, it's 50 available listings. They're bumping it up to 100 available listings. 20,000 community shares. For the first level, it is 5,000 community shares, I think. 50 sold listings. I think it's only 10, I think. I'll like let you guys know on the screen if my memory serves me correctly. 1 Posher recruited. That's a new one. A 4.7 plus seller rating. And then a less than 3-day ship time. Okay, wait. So those are entry requirements. Entry requirements. So do you have to like apply to what? Because then it says quarterly requirements. 250 listings created. So you have to create 250 listings a quarter. 4,000 community shares. Guys, they're really pushing. They're pushing the shares. 50 sold listings every quarter. And then a 4.7 plus seller rating every quarter. As far as my thoughts, I mean, the perks don't really... I mean, you get a gold badge on your profile, but is like the average person on Poshmark going to know what your gold badge means? You know? You get assistance to Poshmark, tickets to Posh events, exclusive live events, and then be promoted on the platform. I don't know. I'm not too excited about it. Being a Poshmark Ambassador honestly doesn't really mean anything. It's just a cute little title that they give you. Maybe you'll get like a couple more followers because of it. Again, I have a video talking all about it. So yeah, so I don't know. I don't really know if adding this will do anything. I don't think so. So yeah, my initial thoughts, it's like, okay. It's just, you know, they're trying to promote sharing. Definitely. They're trying to promote more activity on the app, which I get. But I don't know. I'm not that excited about it. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Next question. Hi, what happens when you sell an item and when you're packaging it up, you notice a stain or a hole? Do you go ahead and message the buyer and say, hey, I missed this flaw in the item, and let them know and maybe offer a discounted price, but then you would need to cancel the sale and they might not buy it again, or take the chance and just send it anyways, which I hate to do that. I'm not sure what to do. I found a flaw in 2 orders and I'm so upset with myself for missing it. Okay, first of all, don't be upset with yourself for missing it. You're human. You're going to make mistakes. That's happened to me so many times. I have shipped something out. They've opened up a case. They've been like, hey, there's a flaw. Some of the times, I do think that they tried to scam me. Like, I've had people scam me on Poshmark. I know for sure that a couple items in particular that come to mind, like a pair of Levi's jeans, I know for sure that they did not have flaws, but the person said they had a flaw. Again, I think they were just trying to scam me. But I do know that other times I have missed flaws. I've sent stuff out with flaws, and I missed it. I'm human. I'm going to make mistakes. So don't be too hard on yourself. As far as what would you do, I would, yes, definitely message the buyer and say, hey, you know, I noticed this. And then see what they want to do. You could offer to cancel the order and give them, you know, discounted shipping or lower the price. But again, yes, you would have to cancel the order and, you know, resell it to them, and then it'd be on them if they want to repurchase it. I feel like most people would be understanding though. Or you could offer them a discount on a future order. Again, don't be too hard on yourself because people make mistakes. It happens. Last question. I wanted to address this because I thought that this was kind of funny. This person said, did you buy YouTube followers? Your views don't really match up to your subscriber count, in my opinion. Okay, so let me tell you a little something about YouTube. For a YouTube channel, the average ratio, like subscriber to view ratio, is 8 to 12%. If I was going to purchase followers, first of all, I've been on here for 16 years, so I would probably have millions of followers by now. I wouldn't just stop at 40 something thousand, however many I have right now. I would have probably millions if I was going to purchase subscribers. So yeah, don't automatically assume that someone bought followers because their view to subscriber ratio you think is off. Guys, I know YouTube analytics. I know it like the back of my hand. So don't come at me saying you bought followers when you really have no idea what the fuck you're talking about. Yeah, I just wanted to address that comment because it got like a few thumbs up and I don't know, this person just thought that they caught me or something, like, but no. If you look at someone's subscribers and you see like one day they jumped like a crazy amount, then it's probably purchase subscribers, unless like a bigger YouTuber promoted them or something. But most of the time when people have like big spikes in subscribers, and then after those big spikes, if they lose subscribers, like that's a sure telltale sign that somebody's buying subscribers. If you look at my analytics, that's never happened to me because I've never purchased subscribers. Like, it really doesn't make sense to purchase subscribers because the way you make money on YouTube isn't by your subscriber count. Like, honestly, your subscriber count doesn't mean shit. Your view count is what matters, not your subscriber count. YouTube analytics is just a whole, it's a world. It's a world, guys. Then I could make a video talking more about it if you guys are interested in that type of stuff. If you want to know, I'm not going to give you like my numbers exactly, but I will like answer questions if you guys have any. Comment down below and let me know if that's something that you want to see. Obviously, that's not reselling related. That's like YouTube related. But, all right, that's it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin It Rad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit. So thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.